Israeli couscous salad with fresh herbs and zesty dressing. Tired of the same old salads? Shake things up with this vibrant Israeli couscous salad. With its chewy texture, fresh herbs, and a zesty lemon dressing, this dish is packed with flavor and perfect for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a refreshing side dish, a light lunch, or something to impress at your next gathering, this salad has you covered. Israeli couscous, also known as pearl couscous, is slightly larger than traditional couscous and has a delightful, slightly chewy texture. It absorbs flavors beautifully, making it an ideal base for a salad that's fresh, hearty, and packed with goodness. Ingredients: serves for 1 cup Israeli couscous, 1 3/4 cups water or vegetable broth, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, half cucumber, diced, 1/4 red onion, finely chopped, 1/3 cup fresh parsley, chopped, 1/3 cup fresh mint, chopped, 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled, optional 1/4 cup toasted almonds or pine nuts, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, half a teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 garlic clove, minced, salt and pepper to taste. How to make it? Cook the couscous in a saucepan. Bring water or broth to a boil, add couscous, reduce heat, and simmer for 10 minutes until tender. Fluff with a fork and let it cool. Prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, Dijon mustard, garlic, salt, and pepper. Assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine cooked couscous, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, parsley, mint, and toasted nuts. Toss with the dressing. Top with crumbled feta for a creamy, salty contrast. Serve immediately or chill for a more developed flavor. Pro tips: for extra depth, toast the couscous in a dry pan before cooking. It adds a subtle nutty flavor. Let the salad sit for 15 minutes before serving to let the flavors meld together. Want a protein boost? Add grilled chicken, chickpeas, or shrimp. This Israeli couscous salad is light yet satisfying, bursting with freshness, and incredibly easy to make. Ready to give it a try? What's your favorite way to enjoy couscous? Let me know in the comments.